There's a lot of naturally occurring wildlife in Virginia that you can use for lots of things. This is pokeweed, which is an invasive plant that a lot of people will kill. But when it's young, you can pick the leaves and eat them like you would spinach. You just have to make sure to cook them really well because it is poisonous. And then the berries, they used to use to make ink back during like the Revolutionary Civil War days. And they would write documents and deeds and all kinds of things with the pokeberry ink. And you can still use it to make ink if you so desire to go through that arduous process. And up here, these are wild grapes. The grapes haven't come in yet, but they will usually in the fall. And you can use those to make, this is jelly I made last year with the wild grapes. And you have to make sure you tell the difference because there's a moon berry that looks just like wild grapes, but so you have to make sure you open them and check the seeds to make sure the crescent moon shaped seeds are the poisonous berries. These have grape seeds, like common grapes. This is the mulberry bush. I think all the mulberries have been eaten already. This is the mulberry bush, and you'll see them commonly because the birds love to eat them, and that's how you get purple bird poop. But you can harvest these as well and turn them into jelly or a pie, or you can make mulberry wine. So you can do lots of things with mulberries, and this is all just behind our apartment. So we can utilize all this naturally occurring wildlife, plant life to make food and all kinds of delicious things. See, these aren't ripe yet, but when they're ripe, they look like blackberries, basically. They're like the color of a blackberry, and they look a lot like a blackberry. But these are still young. They're not ready yet.
Yeah, get them how you.
And down here, these are wild violets, and you can eat the greens from these too. You can put them in salad, or you can braise them in some oil and eat them like you would spinach. They're better when you pick them when they're younger because they're less bitter, and that's generally the rule for every like leaf plant. The younger it is, the sweeter it's gonna be.